Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building structure. Create a workbook and name sheets for data, calculation, and report so navigation is consistent. Once done, set clear column headers and freeze the top row to keep context while scrolling. Make the main range a formatted table so formulas autofill and referencing is simpler. Then paste or type a few sample rows and enforce types with data validation. This prevents broken calculations later and lets you move immediately into formula design without messy cleanups. Next, build the calculation layer. Start by naming ranges or using structured table references so formulas read like plain language. This reduces errors. Implement lookups with XLOOKUP or index/match, use SUMIFs for conditional totals, and create helper columns that pivot tables can consume. If you have LET and dynamic arrays, consolidate repeated logic into one expression to speed recalculation and improve clarity. Make sure to test with edge case rows, and then lock formula rows to avoid. Finish by building the report view. Create pivot tables and charts from the calculation or data tables, add slicers for quick filtering, and lay out a printable report sheet. Once done, protect critical ranges and document key formulas and assumptions so others can maintain the file. Export final outputs as PDF or CSV as needed. If something breaks, use evaluate formula and error checking to trace the issue. Inspect precedents/dependents and revert to the sample rows you validated earlier to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.